Wanrah Myntri Rangbah kamang dengka baduna arhajar arab kenai klur bakot 9.5% ka GSDP.
From 12,159 crores in 2018-19 to 25,052 crores in the current financial year.
Nyau Myntri Rangbah kamang dengka kum commission 10 bakenjo ya ka 10 billion US dollar economy.
We have been able to leverage additional funding based on our excellent performance and timely completion of projects. The GSDP for 2024-2025 is projected at 52,973 crores.
Kamang tengka kaba san hajar arspa nyop wei klur ban penkubur ya ki kenthei. Kamang tengka kaba saw hajar sanspa iwei klur ya ki kam kibay dei bat kami mariang.
Estimating the total expenditure for 2024-2025 at 27,000 crores and 72, of which revenue expenditure is 19,653 crores and capital expenditure is 7,419 crores. The projected capital expenditure is almost 4 times higher than the value in 2018-2019.
Kamang tengka kaba lai hajar sanspa laip kendai klur. Sya katanat pule putri. Kentup si hajar laispa laip san klur kum katulop grant in aid.
We have now completely streamlined the payment of salaries, pensions and other benefits to 52,829 government employees, 35,403 pensioners, more than 21,000 personnel drawing grant in aid salaries, 24,039 SSA and other teachers, 28,450 wage employees, 7,051 ASHA workers.
Kamang Pisa kaba si hajar kendai spa nyopo sya katanat kakot kakia. Kentup si spa nyopo lai klur sya ka MHIS.
Infrastructure like schools and hospitals are being comprehensively renovated and upgraded. Administrative infrastructures like block offices and police stations are being renovated and reconstructed for the first time at scale. Development is reaching every village and locality in the state in the form of new roads, piped water connection, food processing units, community halls, water harvesting structures and play fields.
Kamang tengka kaba arhajar nyospa kendai klur sya ki surok bat si hajar sanspa sanpopora klur sya katanat boarding.
We will achieve a $10 billion US dollar economy through focusing on 10 opportunities. I would like to commit to 10 guarantees which will ensure that every Meghalayan benefits from the growth story and that our development over the next 4 years is equitable, sustainable and just.
Kendai spa laip saw klur sya ki kam karoi kapar hag sor. Kamang Pisa kaba kendai spa san klur sya ki kam kibai dei bat kejing penbiang nya ke umbam umdi.
The state's own tax revenue is estimated at 4,041 crores in 2024-25, of which GST is at 1,995 crores, taxes on sales and trade is at 1,156 crores, and excise at 661 crores. The state's own non-tax revenue was 457 crores in 2022-23. With the increase in prospecting license approval by the Government of India and the expected resumption of scientific coal mining, the non-tax revenue is estimated at 747 crores in 2024-25. Budget estimates 2024-25. Sir, 2024-25, I have estimated the total receipts at 27,072 crores,